Within the archives of NASA's unexplained files, most strange sightings are one-off events that leave no trace behind. NASA scientists must be prepared to grapple with phenomena that no human has ever encountered.
I think we're constantly seeing things that we say, oh, I haven't seen that before. What's that? What's going on there?
In 2012, the space agency's planet hunting team spots something that baffles even them. NASA's Kepler telescope finds 2 planets orbiting a star in the distant Cygnus constellation. But the data from the telescope suggests they are doing something unnatural.
Both planets have been pulled out of the equatorial plane.
The star is spinning like this, and the planets are going around like that. It's all very peculiar.
Planets orbit around the equator of their star because that's where its powerful gravitational grip and rotational force combine to pull together dust and gas, making new worlds. But this star's 2 companions seem to defy the laws of physics.
Kepler-56 is the first extrasolar planetary system discovered where the plane of the planetary system is very different from the rotation axis of the star.
This observation goes against everything we know about how planetary systems are formed.
And whatever strange force is at work here, it's affecting more than one world.
One planet orbiting out of the equatorial plane of the system is a bit weird. 2 planets is insane.
How do you explain planets that are orbiting the wrong way? You have to wonder, are we looking at something else besides conventional planets? Are they really planets? Are they artificial?
If these bodies were artificial, they'd have to be bigger even than the fearsome Death Stars of Star Wars. The engineering involved would be far beyond human technology. But planetary orbits such as these do not happen when planets form naturally.
Something very strange must have happened to these 2 planets in order to have them both misaligned the same amount from the equatorial plane. That's the hard part to explain. You'd need something with some unholy power to shift it out of an equatorial orbit.
The question is, what could create such a force?
As an alternative to the Death Star hypothesis, planetary scientists have summoned an invisible planet.
And we speculated that there was this additional body further out that was much larger. But we don't know that it is there yet. We don't know what it is or how far away it is. Just that we have a hint that this extra body further out might be true.
This invisible planet, labeled Kepler-56d, would have to be huge, 3 to 4 times the mass of Jupiter. Capable of exerting such an immense gravitational pull that it could compete with the gravity of its own star. Whatever the 2 rogue objects are, they are doomed. In 130 million years, the star will expand, consuming them both. The dark world we call 56D will be the only survivor of the apocalypse.